All passengers must proceed to their designated gates. Boarding has begun. What's up, fellow wizards? In this video we will be doing another LEGO Animal Crossing set. This is one of the two sets that came out in August of 2024. It's called Fly with Dodo Airlines. This set is numbered 77051 and it comes with 292 pieces. Alright, let's get this opened up. Alright, the box is now open, and there are 3 bags in this set. Before we begin, please take a moment to smash those like and subscribe buttons. It helps me out a ton and I truly appreciate it. Alright, let's get building. And we are done with the entire set. So this set features Wilbur, who is known for driving this little seaplane here. And of course, Tiggy. Wait a second. Is she making that awesome face? Anyway, moving on. Going towards the back of the set, you can see what's inside of the airport. You know, you have this little computer and a little keyboard right here. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see the keys of the keyboard right here. There's also this little Nook Miles ticket, and of course a few plants. And here is the gate where the player can pass through to get to the seaplane. Going back to the front, you can also see that there's this little sign right here that says Dodo Airlines. And here we've got this interchangeable flag. That's right, there is another flag. Wait, I gotta sneeze. Dang, I lost it. Anyway, you can interchange the flags to your liking. And you can put the characters on the seaplane as well. Just prop them inside like so. Oh, her tail won't fit. There we go. And now, now we can start flying to faraway islands. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, you have this little crowbar that you can use to take out the pieces of the flag. Actually, you can do this on both flags. And you can create any pattern you want. Well, you can also use your fingernails to do it, but anyway matters. So with this crowbar, you can arrange the pieces of the flags and arrange them well to your liking. Okay, put the flag back. And you see that there's these two buoys that can be used whenever someone goes overboard. And here's this little dock where people can board the seaplane. And if you look over here, there's this little chart thing. You can see it as something that would be in airports. You know, the flights to wherever places. And going towards the top, you have this little radar signal thing, as well as some of these control panels at the control tower. These are to guide the planes to where they're supposed to land. And there's also some seats where the characters can sit. And that's the LEGO Animal Crossing set, Fly with Dodo Airlines. And this is a 360-degree view of the set. And as always, you can arrange the landmasses to your liking. Let's say that we put this here. Or and of course, you can put it all back. Just another day in the old Dodo Airlines airport terminal. I wonder who's gonna show up today. Ooh, a customer. Hello and welcome to your one and only gateway to the skies, the Dodo Airlines Airport Terminal. How may I be of service? Oh, I just bought this Nook Miles ticket and I was willing to use this. Roger, roger. What a fine looking Big Boss ticket. Alright. Let me just scan that real quick. Okay. Looks like we're all ready to fly. If you need help, just think, what would dodos do? Alright, now follow me. Are you ready, kid? Here we go! I truly love building this Lego set. I mean, you've got yourself a whole airport in just 292 pieces. You've also got this interchangeable flag, and this little seaplane that has a rotating propeller of its own. But anyway, here are all the extra pieces. Wait, hold on. Here are all the extra pieces left from the entire set. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch more, click the video on your screen when it pops up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps me out a ton and I truly appreciate it. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. And always remember, stay calm, stay strong, stay safe, and do not put this Lego set on water. The models will not float.